Uh-huh. All right, so as far as size and fitting goes, if you're gonna wear these casually, definitely go half a size up. Now there are some runners that like to wear their true size, so the shoe fits a little bit tighter. It gives the effect of the feel that the shoe being actually lighter. So if you're gonna actually run in these, you can go your true size. But if you went with a half a size up, you can still run in these and you can still wear them casually. I just recommend going half a size up if you're gonna wear these casually, just because they're easier to slip on, easier to slip off. Now, like I said, as soon as I put these on, I feel the ridges right here and like right here. And to me, I enjoy it. Everybody's different, but definitely get your pair to try on if you can. Like I said, easy to slip off and well worth the price. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that little snippet, then you're definitely going to love the full version. So all you gotta do is click the link at the end of this video, and if you want to watch more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And once again, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. Any questions or comments, drop them in the comments. I'm sure to reply. Till the next time, JustZay here signing out. See you guys again. Say bye to the people. That's all you guys get. Till the next video. Hey, you tired? You tired of running?